In today's video, I am going to teach you how to place a trade on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone trading account on your preferred platform. This could be MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or TradingView. Once you are inside the platform, go to the Market Watch window or the Symbols panel. This is where you can view the instruments that are available to trade. Find and select the financial instrument you want to place a trade on, such as a currency pair, index, commodity, or another asset. After selecting the instrument, open the order window. Depending on the platform you are using, this may be labeled New Order, Trade, or simply show Buy and Sell options. Click the appropriate button to bring up the trading ticket. This is where you will enter the details for your trade. Next, choose the order type you want to place. You may be entering a market order for immediate execution, or a pending order if you want the trade to be triggered at a specific price later. Make sure you select the order type that matches your trading plan. Now enter the trade size or volume. This determines how large your position will be. Take a moment to make sure the amount is correct before moving on. If you want to manage risk more precisely, you can also set a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss helps limit potential losses, while a take profit automatically closes the position once your target price is reached. Once those details are filled in, review everything carefully. Check the instrument, order type, volume, and any stop loss or take profit levels you added. When everything looks correct, click Buy if you want to open a long position, or click Sell if you want to open a short position. After you submit the order, wait for it to be executed. Once the trade is placed successfully, it should appear in the Positions tab or the Trade tab, depending on the platform you are using. This confirms that your order is now live in the market. From there, continue to monitor your open trade. Keep an eye on price movement, your stop loss, and your take profit if those have been set. When you are ready to exit the trade, close the position directly from the same trading platform. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.